creative and loving spirit. As we begin this activity, we thank you for the gift of participation, the joy of learning, and the strength of community. Bless our time together, that it may be filled with energy, purpose, and mutual support. Guide every step of our work, every word we exchange, and every idea we share. May this activity nurture our growth as individuals and as members of the DSSC family. Keep us safe, motivated, and open to new insights. Amen.